Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change your profile picture in ClickUp. So in order to change your profile picture on ClickUp, you will have to go right here to your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it and then go right here to settings. Click on it as well. Now here you can see your profile picture. In ClickUp it is named avatar. Click on it and then you can change the color or add custom avatar. So this is basically your custom profile picture. Click on it and you can upload your image. So click on upload, click on the image that you want to upload, press open, and then as you can see you can position where you want your image to be. You can even make the circle smaller like so, and down here you see this preview. So click on save if you are done with your changes. And now as you can see my profile picture is changed. So my avatar is this one, like so. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to press saved right here when you are done, because I can see that it didn't save my picture. So I'll do that again. Press save and then save changes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.